Introducing Frammento, the ultimate solution for managing and reusing your code efficiently. Whether you're a developer, designer, or anyone who works with repetitive code, Frammento will save you time and effort. With the easy-to-use snippet creation feature, you can quickly add your code, tag it with labels based on the technology you're using, and save it for future use. You can also categorize snippets by the author, which helps with team collaboration, or simply sort them by name, creation time, or the author to find what you need in seconds. Filtering your snippets has never been easier. Use multiple filtering options to quickly locate a specific snippet. Whether you're searching by user, technology, or label, you can even sort your snippets based on the criteria that matter most to you. Adding comments to your snippets allows for even better collaboration. You can leave notes, reminders, or explanations to make sure every snippet is easy to understand, even months after you've created it. If you need to make changes to an existing snippet, Frammento allows for quick edits. You can also delete outdated or unnecessary snippets with just a few clicks, keeping your library clean and relevant. Managing users and labels is straightforward in Frammento. You can easily organize your workspace by assigning custom labels to different types of snippets, or by managing user permissions for greater control. Frammento is designed to help you streamline your workflow, enhance productivity, and ensure your team works more efficiently. It's the perfect tool for anyone who needs to store and access reusable code quickly and effortlessly.